The spring-loaded feature on the Korky Strongarm 6071 handle returns the lever to level automatically for smoother operation and less maintenance. The spring mechanism stores energy when the handle is pressed and releases it to bring the lever back to neutral, which prevents the handle from remaining tilted and rubbing against the tank or trim. Because the spring maintains consistent tension, it reduces metal on metal or plastic on plastic contact that leads to wear, so pivot points and connecting arms last longer. Installers should ensure the spring is seated in its notch and that the handle is aligned vertically before tightening the retaining nut, which optimizes return force and prevents binding. If you have an adjustable linkage, set it so the flapper or flush valve seals at rest without needing extra upward or downward pressure from the spring. Periodically check for mineral buildup or corrosion on the moving surfaces and wipe them clean with a damp cloth. The spring itself benefits from a light silicone spray if the environment is humid, but avoid heavy oils that attract grit. For a homeowner replacing an old handle, compare the arm length and orientation to the existing part and trim any excess length on the replacement rod sparingly, because too long of a lever multiplies wear and too short reduces mechanical advantage. Common mistakes include over-tightening the handle nut, which compresses the bushing and stops the spring from moving freely, and the fix is to tighten until firm, then back off a quarter turn so the lever can pivot. Another issue is misaligned linkage, where the chain or rod is attached too high or too low, and the spring cannot return the flapper properly. So reposition the connection point so the flapper closes with the chain just slack at rest. A third concern is assuming the spring eliminates the need for routine inspection. Even with the spring, you should test the handle operation monthly and clear buildup or replace a fatigued spring to maintain smooth performance. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who do toilet repairs and upgrades and helps contractors find work through local project listings. We host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange tips about parts like the Korky Strongarm and troubleshoot common installation questions with each other.